How to find draft posts on Facebook fast and easy. Are you trying to find your draft posts on Facebook? Let me show you the correct way, step by step. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your phone. Step 2. Tap on what's on your mind and start writing a post, but don't publish it. Step 3. Now, tap the back button. Facebook will ask if you want to save as draft. Tap Save Draft. Step 4. Here's the important part. Facebook does not have a permanent draft section on personal profiles. Instead, you will receive a notification saying you have a draft saved. Step 5. Tap on that notification and it will take you directly to your saved draft. From there, you can edit, post, or delete the draft. Step 6. Keep in mind that Facebook usually saves only one draft at a time on personal accounts. When you create a new draft, the old one may disappear. And that's it. Now you know how to save and find draft posts on Facebook the fast and easy way. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Facebook tips and tricks.